Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to convert PDF to Word in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course just go ahead to your camscanner applications over here. And after, if you wanna convert the PDF to Word, you just have to tap on this all option at the top. Now you just have to scroll it out until we found out here the convert options. Tap on, as you can see, we can convert to Word, to Excel over here, to PPT, or etc. You guys, PDF to image, PDF to long image. For example, here I'm gonna convert it, the PDF to this Word. I'm gonna tap on it like this. After, go to this device option. Now I'm gonna choose the PDF that I wanna convert it to the Word from my files. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and now you just have to wait for a second. And yeah guys, this is the PDF that I wanna convert it to the Word. In this page, you can edit it for the PDF by tap on these two Word options. So you can edit this PDF again on this camscanner, yeah guys. Here I'm gonna tap on this remind me when it's done. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.